In this video from Device Doctor, we'll fix the blank print issue on Epson L6270, where nothing prints on paper. Stay tuned to solve it easily.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Step 1. Print a nozzle test pattern from your Epson printer. This test will show you which ink nozzles are clogged or not working properly. Don't worry, the nozzle test is super easy. Just go to Maintenance in your printer settings, hit Nozzle Check, and print. If your nozzle test print comes out completely white without any color, or if only certain colors are missing, don't worry. I'll guide you through the solution step by step. Step 2. Make sure the printer is completely turned off. Then, gently remove the power cable from the printer. In step 3, lift the top cover of the printer and move the print head to the center. Be careful, the print head is locked and won't move. Before moving it, rotate the gears on the right side of the printer a few times to unlock it. Now, open the white cover above the dumpers. Now, carefully detach the plastic clips from the tubes. To do this, press the small teeth on the clips and pull them off. Make sure not to damage the plastic parts during the process. Now, carefully take out each dumper. Then, gently remove the air trapped inside until the dumpers are fully filled with ink. For this step, you will need a large syringe, 30 to 50 cc, that matches the size of the cartridge nozzles. In step 5, you need to remove air from the tube that transfers waste ink to the waste tank. This ensures no air remains in the ink path. Then, draw about 5 cc of ink from the system using the syringe. Now, power on your printer and run one head cleaning cycle from the maintenance menu. This will help flush any remaining air or old ink from the printhead. The head cleaning process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Please wait and do not turn off the printer during this time. In the last step, run a nozzle test again to verify the repair. If the issue is resolved, perfect. If not, repeat the head cleaning process up to 3 times and retest. Always ensure your ink cartridges are sufficiently filled. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to support our channel. For more tech solutions, turn on notifications so you never miss a video from Device Doctor.